Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Karrar Hussain and you are watching Karrar Hussain YouTube channel. So I'm back again with another great opening, and this opening it's in Cognizant, and Cognizant is hiring freshers and it's work from home. Before we start, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो please subscribe and do like this video so that it reaches the maximum candidates looking for the job. So Cognizant is hiring freshers, and salary they are providing from 4 lakh rupees to 4 lakh 50,000 rupees per annum. They are providing very good salary here, and the role is developer. So now coming to the job description: understand business requirement, raise clarification, create understanding documents, ensures complete understanding of the requirement by asking clarifying questions and align oneself to it. Understand the agile application development environment, deliverables due to, and follow the cycle. Provide inputs to create low-level design for multiple components. Develop, maintain, test, debug, and deploy code as per the requirement specification. Understand the data requirement and develop test scenarios. Identify and prioritize tasks to meet deadlines, proactively addressing issues and mitigating points of failure. Takes ownership to deliver on own goals in a timely and efficient manner. Participate as a member of project team in meeting and technical sessions to develop reliable, cost-effective, and high-quality solutions. Continuously upskill, reskill, and cross-skill to scale up to new technologies. Possess excellent written and communication skills, ability to work coherently in a team. Eligibility criteria: 2021 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MS software engineer, 5-year integrated course degree students only. Consistent academic record of minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th, diploma, undergraduate, UG and PG. All subject will be taken into consideration, calculated as below. Aggregate percent is equal to sum of all subject marks scored total number of subjects as per last semester result declared. No standing areas in current education. Maximum of 2-year gap in education. All the time of joining, all recruit need to have a minimum 60% aggregate. All subject will be taken into consideration in the pursuing degree with no standing areas. Students applied for re-evaluation and waiting for the results will be considered with the initial results score declared. Appropriate CGPA to person conversion to be considered as per university norms. Strong written and communication skills required, open only to Indian nationals. Flexible to relocate to anywhere in India, work in any shift domain. Student information: request the eligible student to appear for Cognizant 221 batch campus selection process. The Cognizant Human Resource GNC program team will extract the registered student database from the portal shortlist the eligible students and shall share the test link. Request the placement officer to guide only the eligible student to register. 2021 graduates who have already applied or appeared for Cognizant GNC campus recruitment drive in 2020 shall not be eligible for this campus recruitment drive. Student must upload the resume with embedded photograph, all academic documents including school certificates and college semester mark sheet, government ID proof scanned as one PDF file during test registration. Mandatory process to appear for the test: students should have soft copies of the below mentioned documents ready to be shared during online interview. Resume maximum 2 pages with the high resolution passport size photographs embedded. Both ears must be visible with light background. All academic mark sheets and certification for verification. Aadhaar card, passport, front and back page, PAN card if available. Interested candidates, link is given in the description box. Please go and apply. It's a great opportunity for 2021 fresh graduates. Everything is mentioned in the video. You can please watch full video, and if you have any doubt, please mention in the comment. Link is given in the description box. Please go and apply, and you can also share this opportunity with your friends who are actually in need of job. And you can also join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description box and in the first comment of the video. Compared to YouTube, I share more jobs on Telegram. Thank you. Best of luck.